Happy morning. Happy morning, TSN. How are you? Wow. Happy morning, my dear friends. This is a real privilege to meet all of you in the comfort of your own house and in the comfort of my house. Thank you so much for choosing to be in this program. My name is G.S. Muthukumar. I am from Pondicherry. I'm a very happily married person. I have three wonderful children, only one wife. I started my career in Indian Air Force. And after that, I was with few multinational companies like Ponds India Limited, Hindustan Lever, Librax, Dalmias. And in 94, I got married. After getting married only, I realized that if I go to a job, that is not going to work for the home. So I started looking for alternative careers. And one by one, slowly, I built up my career. And I took great passion for training. In this last 25 years, I can very proudly say I have grown personally, economically, and not only that I have grown, I have been instrumental in helping thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs and ambitious people across our country to develop in their own businesses and their own life. Today, I'm happily settled in Paris. My family lives there. Normally, what happens in India? In India, people will have ambitions like they want to go to abroad and they want to make money and come back to settle down in India. I'm a little different. I have worked and did businesses in India. I made money, earned money. Now I am totally settled in Paris. I keep settling now. I have multiple businesses. I'm running a real estate company, as well as I'm very proud of talking about my Global Success Mantras, which is a training company for aspiring entrepreneurs. And not only that, I also partnered with the famous Dindikal Talapakati chain of restaurants to start their restaurants in Europe. Our first restaurant is functioning in Paris already. I live in Chennai for 1 or 2 months and I keep shuttling between Paris and Chennai. And today, I'm very proudly introducing you to a very new concept, very new platform, which is based on cryptocurrency. Before talking about the opportunity, I would like to ask you a few important questions. And before asking that question, I have a request to all of you, because this is not an entertainment program. This is not a time pass program. If you can spend about 1 hour with me with total attention, I can promise you that you will never ever forget this second day of July 2020 in your life. Like how you will not forget your birthday, your wife's birthday, children's birthday, all your wedding anniversary. Like that, you will never ever forget this day, because the end of this program is going to open up a lot of opportunity, a lot of channels to continuously earn as much as you would like to earn in this life. So my request is, like, for the next 1 hour, just be with me. Don't switch on your mic that is on the red color. We have muted you. Don't unmute it. Don't touch your screen so that you can see the PPT very clearly. So others get disturbed if you do some scratches on the screen. It is shown and it is disturbing others. So if you can give me this cooperation, definitely this is going to be a most unforgettable day of your life. Can I expect this cooperation from all of you? Can I see a raise of hands? Wow, thank you. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm really feeling very proud to talk to all of you. Now, the question I was talking about, what is very important in our lives? People think that I'm earning money, I'm earning my salary, or I'm earning in my business. I always don't consider our earnings as our earnings. I always think and I also always question, end of the month, what happens? What is your income? When I ask this question, what is your income? People say, I make about 50,000. I earn about 1 lakh salary. See, I'm not talking about the salary. I'm not talking about the business revenue. What I'm talking about is what is the end result? See, any businessman, no businessman will say that all my revenue is my profit. What the businessman will do, they will calculate the input and they will deduct the expenditure. What is the balance is their profit. If you look at that way, suppose you are making about 50,000 rupees per month or 1 lakh rupees per month, and if you are going to spend all the 50,000 or all the 1 lakh rupee in that month itself, my dear friends, I'm very sorry to say your income is zero. Zero. And some people are thinking, sir, don't ask about my income. It is going in minus. And today we know that we are in this corona pandemic. The entire world is crippled. We are forced to sit in our houses. And we don't know what can happen in another 3 months or 6 months. We don't know. And how long we can keep on sitting in our houses, my dear friends. Today, because see, if you look at how much money is required by all of us, let me show you in the PPT. Even anybody who wants to live in their own house, if you are still in the rented house, we have to purchase our own house. To purchase your own house, you need at least 50 lakhs. And what is very important to all of us, our children's education. And if you have 2 children, today even the LKG, UKG, the kindergarten is costing 3 to 5 lakhs. To complete their graduation, they may need 25 lakhs each. So that is about 50 lakhs. And if you want to buy a car, that is about 10 lakhs. Then who has to get them married? Only you have to help them to get married. So today, of course, corona marriage, I'm not talking. Only 20 people, 50 people marriage, I'm not talking. If after 10 years, 15 years, every child may need about 20 to 25 lakhs for their marriage. About 50 lakhs is required. But all this apart, my very important question to you is, see, in the young ages, like we can work really hard to earn our future, earn our money, and our income. We can do as much work as possible. But at the age of 55, 60, 65, 70s, who will take care of us? If you think that our children are going to take care of us, I'm very sorry. Today, taking care of themselves itself is very, very, very difficult. So there is no point that our children will take care of us. If some children are watching this, even my daughter is also watching this. No, I'm not telling that they will not take care of us, but why should we give a chance? If you have a savings of 50 to 75 lakhs in your bank account, or if you have an asset, at least that asset will take care of you, or that is at least for the sake of the assets, people will take care of us. So the budget goes like this. You need to survive at least 2.1 crores. I'm talking about a minimum requirement. I'm not talking about the entire requirement. So if you are living in a metropolitan city, our requirement is 2 to 3 crores, my dear friends. If that is our requirement, what is our savings? We are not talking about any savings here. 3,000, 5,000 is very difficult nowadays to save for the future. Even let us consider that from today onwards, you take a decision, that you take an oath, like I will be saving 10,000 rupees every month hereafter. Okay, so even that case, in 1 year, you will be saving only 1.2 lakhs. In 10 years, you will be saving about 12 lakhs. And in 20 years, you will be saving about 24 lakhs. So what will happen to our life? So today, I'm going to talk about an opportunity by which you create only one-time effort, you create only one time, and this is going to pay you, this is going to support you for the rest of your life. The rest of your life. That is the kind of opportunity I'm going to talk about today. And that opportunity is being given to us by cryptocurrency market. Because see, every 10 years, if you look at our world history, every 10 years there will be a new wave. There will be new technology. There will be new things, new innovations. And whoever stands before that wave will take them, make them very big in their life. If you look at the 1980s, 1990s, that is the wave of software. All the computers were there, personal computers were coming, and the software wave started. And in that wave, who stood in the first? Mr. Bill Gates. That's why Microsoft has become so big, and he become the the richest man in the world. And when the share market wave came, when the share market and commodity market has come, and who stood in the front? Warren Buffett. So today, Warren Buffett is the second richest man in the world, wealthiest man in the world. And I can keep on telling you many, many examples. When the internet came and a lot of e-commerce companies came in the front, Amazon became one of the number one companies in the world. Alibaba, all this happened because of the e-commerce wave. Then after the e-commerce wave, a new wave came, which is the app wave. That is, you can do everything through your applications, mobile phone and application, mobile apps. And there are many players who took that advantage, like people like Ritesh Agarwal. Ritesh Agarwal was only 17 years old, my dear friends, when he started Voyo Rooms. And today, his entire asset is somewhere around 500 billion US dollars. One of the richest youngsters and most eligible bachelors in the world. Ritesh Agarwal, owner of Voyo Rooms and Uber cars, all the Swiggy apps and everything. That is a wave. In fact, we have missed one important wave in front of our eyes in the 2009, 2010, 2011. That is the wave of cryptocurrency. That is how, that is a time when the blockchain technology came into the world. Because blockchain technology came into the world, so cryptocurrency was invented, was discovered by a person called Satoshi Nakamoto in Japan. What he thought, everything has become digital in this world. When everything has become digital in this world, why the currency which we are using on a daily basis should be in paper? Because all the paper currencies, they are not reliable. You cannot, carry them in a big quantity. They can get destroyed. They can get, mutilated. There are so many disadvantages, and lot of diseases are spreading because of the paper currencies. Nowadays, nobody is ready to touch the old 100 rupees note. Okay, because many hands it is passing on. So people don't want to touch the paper currency. So what Satoshi Nakamoto did, for the first time in the world's history, he used the blockchain technology to bring his own cryptocurrency, which is called Bitcoin, in a digital format. And nobody thought that nobody took him serious in the 2009, 2010. In fact, when the Bitcoins came and it was sold, believe me, only for 7 rupees per coin, only 7 rupees per coin. If you would have purchased 1,000 coins, it would have cost you only Indian rupees 7,000 rupees. But if you would have purchased already, my dear friends, I can tell you, you need not attend this program at all. You mean you need not attend any program in your life at all. You would have been very rich by 70 crores. But we missed that opportunity. In fact, when the Bitcoin was growing, it went up to 100 rupees, it went up to 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. People missed. Today it is selling at somewhere around 7 lakh rupees per coin, approximately. I'm telling. So when the cryptocurrencies came, not that everybody accepted, but once they understood, many governments like America, governments like Japan, all the European governments, all the American countries, everybody started accepting the alternative currency. It is called as a digital asset. And they started giving the same status of commodity trading, the share market trading, real estate trading. The same status was given to cryptocurrencies, and the taxation was fixed for cryptocurrencies. like you have to pay the GST for the transactions, and you have to pay the capital gain for the income for the profits you made out of cryptocurrencies. Today, whoever purchased the cryptocurrencies those days, like 2010, 11, 12, 13, they are multi millionaires today. They are the biggest wealthy people today in the world. So that is the first wave we have missed. But today, we need not bother about it because the second wave is coming. The entire purpose of my program is to inform you and help you to use the second wave. And this is going to be one of the biggest wave this world is facing, my dear friends, right now. Because when the Bitcoins came, there are many other alternative coins came, like coins like Ethereum and Ripple. There are about 1,000 coins today and even more coins available in the market right now. There are many governments making their own coins nowadays. So today, if you look at the top 5 cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin stands in the #1 position. Ethereum came in the year of 2015. And when it was launched for the purpose of smart contracts. And Ethereum blockchain's smart contracts become the most popular and very powerful and very secure smart contracts. So because of that, they have launched their own cryptocurrency in the name of Ether, ETH. And it was launched at the cost of about 40 rupees per coin in 2015. Today, one ETH, Ethereum, cost about 17,500 to 18,000 rupees. You can imagine the kind of growth people would have had in just 6 years. So I can keep on talking about cryptocurrency time and again. There are many, many currencies coming up. There are many countries, as I told you, many countries are there in the world who are bringing their own cryptocurrencies because the world understood in another 5 years time, maximum 10 years time, the entire universe, entire world is going to be transacting only with cryptocurrencies. Already, we are not, the government is not encouraging you to use paper currencies. They want to go cashless. They want you to use your accounts, all the transfers in email, mail transfers and the Paytms and all those alternative Google Pay, things like that. There are many, many payment gateways have come. So the government wants you to do the online banking, net banking. Even the banks banks ask you not to come to the bank, do the online banking, mobile banking. That is the trend today. And in another 3 to 5 years, maximum 10 years, I can assure you, the experts are expecting that the entire world will be having their own cryptocurrencies and all the transactions will happen in cryptocurrencies only. That's why many countries have brought their own cryptocurrencies. Countries like Venezuela, they have a currency called Petro. China is having a currency called Digital Yuan. And Dubai is having Mcash. I can keep on telling that Facebook has launched their own cryptocurrency called Libra. And many multinational companies already accept cryptocurrencies for transactions. You can buy any product with your cryptocurrency in Amazon, Alibaba, Microsoft. There are many companies. You can buy airline tickets using cryptocurrencies. You can buy restaurant tickets using cryptocurrencies. I can keep on talking about it. And people may have one question in their mind, sir, what is the status of India? And in fact, there are many ATMs available right now all over the world. There are about 8,500 cryptocurrency ATMs around the world. When I went to Singapore, my friends took me to one of the Bitcoin ATMs, and they had their wallet in the mobile, and they showed the mobile, and they brought out cryptocurrency, Singapore dollars out of that ATM. And that is a photo of me. I was in Dubai, and I saw many ATMs, cryptocurrency ATMs in Dubai malls. This is from the UCAP. And when you come to the Indian perspective, of course, in India there were a lot of crypto exchanges operating in India right from 2010. And in 2018, our government I mean, the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, said that cryptocurrencies are not legal tender in India, and they banned the use of cryptocurrencies, giving a time limit. But of course, all the users, there are several million users already in India. So what they did is they all went to the court. Predominantly, we can talk about the Mobile and Telephone Owners Association of India. So they went to the court, and they won the case actually. In March 4, 2020, Supreme Court of India has lifted the ban and allowed the use of cryptocurrencies for trading and using for various purposes. We can use, they announced cryptocurrencies as a digital asset, and it is an individual decision to use it or not. So today, cryptocurrencies are a legal tender in India. You can use it as for your private transactions. As a result, many cryptocurrency exchanges now started operating in India. There are many. I can talk about Zirex, Coin Delta, Unocoin, Zepay, Zippay, BTX India. There are many exchanges available in India. Today, if you have a cryptocurrency, then you can have, like you can change it to whatever currency you want. You can change a Bitcoin into Ethereum, Ethereum into Bitcoin, or Bitcoin or Ethereum into Indian rupee, or a US dollar, Singapore dollar, whatever you want, you can change using these exchanges, cryptocurrency exchanges. Why I am talking about all this in such a detail? In fact, if you want to have an education about cryptocurrency, definitely you can go to YouTube, and there are many blogs, many videos which can teach you the A to Z about the cryptocurrency future. But why I'm talking about this today, there is our global crypto network. This is an amalgamation of people who started using cryptocurrency worldwide, and they have this global crypto network. And they have been the multi-millionaires of this universe using cryptocurrencies. All people like 18-year, 19-year-old children who started their career with cryptocurrencies, and now today they are the who is who of the country. They have become multi-millionaires, and they have become very rich, very wealthy, and they want to help the entire world by supporting, teaching, training people in using cryptocurrencies. In spite of the future, in spite of the growth, see, cryptocurrencies have seen tens and thousands of times growth, not 1 time, 2 time, 5 time, 10 time growth, all lakhs of times growth. So they want, the global crypto network wants to help to teach people how to use a cryptocurrency, how to use the wallet, how to do the transactions in a practical manner. So they have brought a blockchain-based smart contract, the smart contracts, and they want to teach the entire globe using their smart contract how to do the cryptocurrency business. So what they are going to teach us is about what is the blockchain technology, what is a cryptocurrency, what is a decentralized application. First of all, people have to understand what is decentralization is all about, because all these years we know only about the centralized companies and centralized banks and all. There have been always centralized banks. See, the banks have their own management, and they are controlled by RBI. In India, it is the Bank of India, and the Reserve Bank of India reports to the Government of India. Okay, so like that, only centralized organizations only we know. For the first time, we are talking about the decentralized. The internet is decentralized. www is owned by nobody. The entire world is using internet nowadays. Without internet, the world cannot run anymore. So internet is totally decentralized. So based on that, the blockchain technology, whoever is submitting the blockchain technology doesn't belong to them. Once it comes to the internet, it belongs to the world. Nobody wants it. Like that, there are blockchains which allows you to use their applications. Again, nobody wants it. You can write a contract, you can write an application, and you can make that application to run automatically. Once it is feeded, once it is started, nobody can control it. That is called the decentralized applications. So smart contract, what is a smart contract? Again, it is a program written in the blockchain technology, And once the smart contract is executed, again, as I told you, nobody can change it. Once it is started, it will keep on running as long as the world exists. Because how long the internet will exist? As long as the world is existing, internet is going to exist. As long as internet is going to exist, the blockchain technology will exist. The blockchain technology will exist, cryptocurrency will exist, the smart contract will exist. That is the design of today's science. So nobody can change it, nobody can touch it. And you have to learn about the crypto wallets. Future is fully mobile wallets. Now itself, people are having mobile wallets. So crypto wallet is a mobile wallet by which you can store any currency, including the cryptocurrency, including the fiat currency. You can store any number of currencies in your own wallet and you can use it for transactions all around the world. And what is a crypto exchange? Again, I just told you about the crypto exchange. Like we have a foreign exchange to get some US dollars or Singapore dollars, Malaysian ringgits. Like that, there is crypto exchanges available in the internet itself. You need not go to any office. The crypto exchanges operate from the internet. And if you want to change any of your cryptocurrency or any of your fiat currency, you can use the service of crypto exchanges, and you can get the transactions done in a GP. In just 3 to 5 minutes, you can get the transactions done. So why we want to talk about the entire education? Because only today, few millions of people are using all around the world, they are getting the benefit of cryptocurrency. The Global Crypto Network is committed to educate people so that all the people around the world, millions and millions of people around the world, they also use cryptocurrencies. They also get the benefit of cryptocurrencies. That's why they are launching their wonderful smart contract called Mindtree crowdfunding platform. What is a crowdfunding platform? In all the foreign countries, that is a very common thing. Anybody wants to start their own business. If they have a good idea, that is sufficient. If they have a good idea, that is sufficient. And for them, all the investors will support. Uber came out of crowdfunding only. As I told you, Oyo rooms, they are growing out of crowdfunding only. Like that, Mindtree is a personalized crowdfunding platform by which anybody can earn as many Ethereums as possible. And today I'm going to talk about the system. And please, these next 10 minutes are very, very important. Please take a pen and paper and note down whatever I'm going to talk. And this is a system, actually simple system. Actually, it is a very simple system. What happens in this Mindtree platform is you are going to give once and you are going to receive many times. You give once, you will get twice. Again, you give once, you will get 4 times. Again, you give once, you will get 8 times. Again, you will give once, you will get 16 times. Again, you give once, you will get 32 times. Again, you will get 64 times. That is the beauty of Mindtree. Mindtree is a platform where you can grow your team and you can purchase the next level and you can keep on earning Ethereums time and again, day after day. So let me tell you now how the Mindtree smart contract works. So whatever I say right now, this is not my rules and regulations. Whatever I'm going to say from now onwards, this is how the smart contract is written and launched in the Ethereum blockchain. Because Ethereum blockchain is supposed to be one of the safest, securest, most secure blockchains available right now in the world. And in that blockchain only our Mindtree operates. So the first step is you have to download your wallet, crypto wallet called Trust, Trust. So you can go to your Google Play Store from your mobile and download Trust Wallet into the mobile. So when you download the Trust Wallet, my dear friends, it will give you some phrases for you to retake it. Suppose somewhere you lost your mobile and all, you can get your entire wallet back. So for that, there is a 12-letter free phrases that will be shown in the wallet itself, like simple words like cat, mat, rat, bat, like that. So please write that 12 words and keep it safe. Of course, you cannot take a screenshot. What you can do is like you can take a photo of that particular words from your another mobile and keep it safe. But again, I'm telling you, don't keep it in any of the mobiles. Please write it in a very good diary and save it. Because even if you lose the mobile, even if you lose the wallet or somehow accidentally delete your wallet, you can retrieve it. For the retrieval, these 12 phrases are given. So please note down that 12 words safely. So once you have downloaded the Trust Wallet, you are ready to do crypto business, crypto transactions. The next step is you need a very little amount of, let us say, 0.08 Ethereum in your wallet. You have to buy 0.08 Ethereum into your wallet. Now the question may be, why Ethereum? My dear friends, Ethereum is the one currency which allows the decentralized applications, and Ethereum is the fastest growing cryptocurrency in the world. As I told you, it started with 40 rupees. Today it is about 17,500 to 18,000 rupees. And what is expected in the next 6 months to 1 year? Please go to Google and find out what the crypto experts are telling. The Ethereum may touch 1,200 to 1,400 mark US dollars in another 6 months to 1 year. That means in Indian money, the price of Ethereum, one Ethereum may go up to, even it may cross 75,000 to 1,25,000 rupees in just matter of 1 year. So that's why we are using Ethereum, but a very little Ethereum, only 0.08 Ethereum. So Indian equivalent is about 1,400 rupees, and you may need about 100 rupees for the exchange charges, right? So your investment is about 1,500. So buy 0.08 Ethereum and keep it in your Trust Wallet. So once you receive this Ethereum, I mean, you have this Ethereum, you are ready to join the Mindtree crowdfunding platform. So how to join our Mindtree crowdfunding platform? So out of the 0.08 Ethereum you have in your wallet, please send 0.07 Ethereum to your partner's wallet. Who is your partner? Whoever is invited you to this program, whoever is introducing you to this Mindtree platform, he is going to be your partner for rest of your life in this platform. So send 0.07 ETH to your partner's wallet. So once he receives the 0.07 Ethereum, then he will help you to create an ID in Mindtree, and he will give you the referral link from his wallet to your wallet. Use that link and become a member of our Mindtree platform. Once you become a member of our Mindtree platform, now you get the rights. So you're given once, right? Now you get the rights to introduce two partners of your choice. You can introduce two partners. What will happen now when you bring two partners? You will receive 0.07 from these two partners, and your wallet will show you 0.14 Ethereum. But here, as an expert, I want to tell you a few things. When you choose these two people, you have to be really careful. Don't bring any two people who have some 1,500 rupees. No. Because these two people are going to drive your entire team, your entire business, your entire Mindtree platform is going to be built on the foundation of these two people. So please select ambitious people, person who want to really come up in their life. Choose active people. I need not explain about active people, right? Then choose effective people. Who is an effective person? He need not go out of his house, but with the mobile phone itself, he will choose. I mean, he can do anything sitting in his house. So choose effective people. The fourth category is the needy people who really are suffering for money, who are really having a lot of commitments. If you bring these kind of people, I can assure you, your platform will really take off in a very smooth manner, and you can receive hundreds and thousands of Ethereum time and again. So please, when you choose your two people, be careful in choosing these two people. Don't give this opportunity to everybody. Just give to ambitious, active, effective, or needy people. So now what happens? So when you bring two people to each, to your tree, you are getting 0.14 Ethereum in your wallet. So now you gave once, you received it twice. I told you already. You gave once, now you received it twice. Now what happens is you have to give again so that you will get from 4. So whom to give? So you have already given to your sponsor. You've given one time, you have given to your sponsor, that is sufficient. Now you have to give the sponsors to sponsor. That is a crowdfunding program. Sponsors to sponsor. Who is your sponsors to sponsor? So whoever is in the your uplines upline. So give them 0.12 Ethereum. From where you are giving? You are not giving from your packet. You have received 0.14. Out of the 0.14, you are giving 0.12 to the person above your upline. Now what happens? Now there are going to be 4 people under your 2 people. You have introduced AB, and they are going to introduce 4 people under them. So when these 4 people come, what happens? These 4 people will give 0.14 to your direct downline. Correct? When your direct downline gets 0.14, what they are supposed to do? Whatever you do, they are going to repeat. Whatever you are doing, they have to repeat. So this 0.14, when the AB receives, they will be going for the climb up. So every time you climb up, you get multiple benefits, right? So out of the 0.14, they will give to your sponsor. For them, you are the sponsor, and your sponsor is their sponsor. So what happens now? So these 2 people give 0.12 Ethereum to your sponsor. Now the team continues. The team continues to grow. So these 4 people, when they introduce 2 people each, there will be 8 people in your team, newly came, and they will give 0.14 to your 4 people. Not to your 2 people, to your 4 people. So what happens now? When they get 0.14, they will do the climb up. They will do the first climb up. This is called the first climb up. And who is their sponsor? You are the sponsor. So when these 8 people give to these 4 people, these 4 people will give you 0.12, 0.12, 0.12, and 0.12 to you. I told you, no? You gave once, you received it twice. Again, you gave once, 0.12. Now you are receiving 4 times 0.12. That is about 0.48 Ethereum as a profit. Now what you can do? You can stop, or again you can climb up. So to climb up, what you are supposed to do, you have to give 0.24 out of your 0.48. Now you have received 0.48 from 4 people, right? So now you give again 0.24 to the sponsor's sponsor. That is the second upline sponsor. You are going to give 0.24 Ethereum to them. So now what happens? The same way the team is going to continue. Every time you give, your receiving opportunity becomes more. You gave once 0.07, you got from 2 people. Then you gave 0.12, you got from 4 people. Now you are giving 0.24, that means you are going to get from 8 people. Whatever you give will come return to you in multiple times. So you gave 0.07. So 2 people gave you. You gave 0.12. Then 4 people gave you 0.12. Now you are giving 0.24. That means 8 people are going to give you 0.24. Similarly, there are 6 levels there, then 5 climb ups available in this platform. So what happens now? Please look at that. So you are there in the bottom, and you are giving 0.07 to your upline. That means 2 people are going to give you. Then you are giving 0.12 to your next upline. You are going to get from 4 people. then you are giving 0.24 for the next upline. Now you are going to get from 8 people. Then you are giving 0.96 to the next upline. So after 8, you are going to get from 16 people. Whatever you give will come as multiplication. So 16 people are going to give you 0.96. So then you are going to give 3 for the upline level. So fifth upline, then you are going to get 32 3 Ethereums. Then you are going to give 10 Ethereums and you are going to receive 64, 10 Ethereum from 64 people. So this is the smart contract. This is a system. So what happens when your team is growing under you, they are going to level up, they are going to climb up, and when they climb up, they give you. When you climb up, you give to them, right? So what happens? Your mind tree looks like this. Next. So your mind tree looks like this. So you have 2 people, then 4 people, 8 people, 16 people, and 32, 64. The 64 people are the people who are going to give you 10 Ethereums every 77 days. So let me show you the foundation, what happens in the foundation. So then the foundation, there are 3 cycles here, foundation, premium, and elite. In the foundation cycle, that is how we are starting now. In the foundation cycle, you are giving 0.07 to your upline. Then you are receiving from 2 people 0.07. That means you are getting 0.14. You gave once, you got twice. Now you are giving 0.12 to the next upline. Now 4 people will give you 0.12. That means you will get 0.48. Now what you are supposed to do? 0.24 you are giving. That means you are getting from 8 people. Every stage is multiplied. 2, 4, 8 like that. So you are getting 0.24 from 8 people. That means you will get 1.92 Ethereum. So now after getting 1.92 Ethereum, you are going to give 0.96 Ethereum. So what happens now? 16 people will repeat the same to you, 0.96. Then you will get 15.36. Then that means you are going, after getting 15 Ethereums, you are going to give once 3 Ethereums. See, everybody will give because they know they give once, they get multiple times. Now, when they give 3 Ethereums, 32 people are going to give you 96 Ethereums totally. When you receive 96 Ethereum, you are going to give 10 Ethereums for the final level up. That means 64 people will repeat the same and 64 people will give you 10 Ethereum each, and you will be receiving 640 Ethereum into your wallet. So your investment is to start the entire cycle. Your investment is only 0.07 Ethereum, but total earnings will be 753 Ethereums, and the net profit is about 739 Ethereums. If you calculate in Indian money, it comes about 1 crore 33 lakhs 11,180 rupees approximately, because the rates may change every day. So I'm giving you an approximate calculation. Now what happens? Shall we stop with this? No. The entire process is repeated every 77 days, my dear friends. The entire process is repeated every 77 days. Don't ask me why. That is how the smart contract is written, so that with the same team of 126 people, if you calculate 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, it comes about 126 people. The entire 126 people are going to repeat the same action every 77 days. So you have to rejoin with 0.07. They will rejoin with 0.07. You have to climb up again after 77 days. Like that, the action is going to repeat. And not only that, the smart contracts allows you to go to the next level. See, now you came with nothing. You came with only 0.07, but using the system, now you are the proud owner of nearly 600 plus Ethereum. So you need not have 600 Ethereum to go to the next level. If you come to the 6th level, that is sufficient. The next level is a premium level. The premium level, the entrance itself is 20 Ethereum. To whom? Your direct sponsor. Give 20 Ethereums to your direct sponsor. You join the premium cycle. Then similarly, when you give 20, 2 people are going to give you 20. So you are going to get 40 Ethereum out of these 2 people. So now what happens? You give 30 Ethereums to climb up, then 4 people give you 30, then 120 Ethereum is your profit. Now you give 40 Ethereum, then 8 people are going to give you 40 Ethereum. So you are going to get 320 Ethereum. Now you give 60 Ethereum. Now if 16 people are going to give you 60 Ethereum, listen, what you are giving comes back to you multiple times. What you are giving, it's like a good karma. You do one good thing, good karma is giving you multiple things. So 16 times you are going to get 960 Ethereums. So you give 120 Ethereums now, 32 people are going to give you, believe me, 3,840 Ethereums, my dear friend. So when this happens, the final is 240 here. 240 Ethereums will be given to you by 64 awesome people, the same people. So you are going to get 15,360 Ethereums. If you look at the total investment is only 20 Ethereum to get into the premium cycle. So total earnings are going to be about 20,640. Then your net profit is 20,130. And if you look at the Indian money, you will be starting laughing. Oh my God, 36 crores, 23 lakh 40,000. It will be very difficult to believe, but that's how companies grow. That's how people grow. That's how these smart contracts grow. That's how this Mindtree is designed to grow. And if you want to stop, you can stop here. Or if you want to grow, you can grow from here, because there is a final level called Elite. For the Elite level, you must have finished the Ethereum, premium level. So you must finish the foundation cycle. You must finish the premium cycle, not the entire thing. At least once you should have climbed up. So that means, see, the entire 3 cycles are going to run simultaneously. Your foundation will be running simultaneously. Your premium will be running simultaneously. Similarly, your Elite is going to start now. To enter the Elite, you need 100 Ethereums. You give 100 Ethereum to the same sponsor. Here, in all the cycles, the sponsor is same. There is no different sponsor. Your downline is same, because they are going to grow, they are going to grow, they are going to join. So when you give 100, what happens? Now you know 2 people will give you 100. That means you will get 200. Now you give more to 150. That means 4 people are going to give you 150. That means you will get 600. Now you give 300. Now 8 people are going to give you 300. So 2,400. Now you give 500. See, when you give once, you are getting many times more. So 16 people are going to give you 500. That is 8,000 Ethereums. Now you give 1,000 Ethereum. Now 32 people are going to give you 1,000 Ethereum. So that is about 32,000 Ethereum. Now you give the final biggest jump, 2,000 Ethereums. That means 64 people are going to give you 2,000, and 1,28,000 will be your total. So if you look at the total profit, only with 100 Ethereums, your earnings will be 1,71,200 Ethereums, and 1,67,000 will be your net profit. And I'm not going to put the Indian money equivalent, because you are not going to believe this. And not only this, because this is not going to stop here. This is going to repeat every 77 days. Some people may ask me, sir, within 77 days, everything should happen, sir. No, my dear friends. No. 77 days is a cycle. You have joined, you are supposed to join 2 people, 4 people, 8 people, not you. They have to do, they have to do, they have to do. Sometimes you may finish the 6 levels in 77 days, or sometimes you might have finished only 3 levels or 4 levels. No problem. You can rejoin and restart the entire same tree you will be working on. So in the next 77 days, in the first 77 days, you will be getting about, say, let us say 50 people or 100 people. The next cycle, you may get about 500 people. The next cycle, you may get more people. Now people ask another question. So you have to rejoin. Very important in the smart contract is rejoin with the same 0.07, same 20 Ethereum, same 100 Ethereum every 77 days in every cycle. Similarly, you have to re-climb up every level after 77 days. This is climb up day. When you climbed up the first level, 77 days. When you climb up the second level, from that date, 77 days. Like that, you are going to rejoin. So the action is being repeated from the same team. We are going to get time and again, we are going to get Ethereum. Now people may ask, sir, if I introduce 64 people, will I be getting all the 640 Ethereum and all the 20,000 Ethereum time and again? Yes. But is that sufficient? No. See, these 64 people have joined newly, and what they will do, they will be introducing 2 people, 4 people, 8 people, 16 people, 32 people, and 64 people. Similarly, out of the 64, 126 new people will come. So nearly 7,000 to 8,000 new people will come. Under them, again, same thing is repeated. So what happens? From the bottom, Ethereums are collected. Everybody climbs up when the Ethereum comes, and everybody goes to the next level, next level. So what happens? Once you create a team of 126 people, that is 2, 4, 8, then 16, 32, 64. The same thing, same people are going to repeat time and again, time and again, time and again. So here, the earning possibility, sky is not even the limit. Sky is not even the limit. In fact, I am not inviting you. In fact, not your friends are inviting you. You know who invited you to this program? Your dreams. You might have had big dreams. So those dreams are only calling you to this Mindtree program. Say yes, and then there are huge possibility of earning hundreds of thousands of Ethereums to your wallet time and again. So now people ask what to do with the Ethereums. My sincere suggestion is keep them with the wallet itself. So whatever I have put an effort to inform you maximum details about the Mindtree success. So what you can do if you have more questions, if you want more clarifications, you can go to this Mindtree Success YouTube. There are a lot of explanations about these whatever questions you may have in your mind, so that you can get clarity about this business. And people ask me what to do with the money. Okay, don't worry about it. So if see, my sincere suggestion as an expert, what I will suggest to you is please keep your Ethereum in the wallet. Keep it secured, because tomorrow the price is going to be really, really huge. So you will be enjoying the multiple benefits. So whatever little money you need for your day-to-day expenditure, or if you have any loans, you can withdraw them using the cryptocurrency exchanges in India or any part of the world. It's not that only in India you have to retrieve. In any part of the world, you can retrieve it. So if you want what I'm supposed to do is you have to declare it and you have to get the income tax paid. That's it. So government has not given you as any tax rules and regulations as of now, like countries have done, like US and America, like that. Many countries have given rules and regulations, but Indian government is now considering the rules and regulations, right? So still, when it comes till that time, you pay the income tax properly. So whenever you show the source and pay the tax, it is a legal white money. Imagine having few crores in white money. That is a huge power for you. Now, so what we are supposed to do, I want to tell you, take a decision. Please don't believe any of the words I told you. Don't believe anything. Not a single word don't believe from me. You verify by yourself. Go to the internet, go to the YouTube, go to the Google. Just verify whether blockchain exists, whether Ethereum exists, whether Ethereum has grown like this, any smart contract exists. Like that, you find out. Once you are 100% satisfied, you can start this business, and we are there to support you, because there are about 10 advantages of doing this Mindtree business. The first one is you can work from home from today onwards for the rest of your life. From the rest of your life, take rest in your house itself doing this business. Okay, you need not go out and be a victim of coronavirus. Please be in your house and do this business. Then what is required for this business? Only one smartphone and internet connection. All you need is only that much. Then you are going to earn by learning the system. First you learn the system, then you teach the system. Learn the system, teach the system. So that means only one-time effort and lifelong result. There's only one-time effort. To create these people, you are going to work only once. Once you are created, then only people management, people support, people training, only that much. Then there is no company here, there is no CEO here, there is no controlling agency here. Nobody controls you. Nobody. Okay? And many people are not able to believe this. How can a company run without a company? This is not a company, this is a smart contract. That's why this is called the smart contract. Okay, so it happens and it runs by itself in the blockchain technology. There is no rupee transaction here. We are not bringing any rupee transaction. Only wallet to wallet crypto transaction here. And there is no big investment. Please, friends, please let me know. 1,500 rupees today, you cannot do anything with the 1,500 rupees. But with the 1,500 rupees invested in an intelligent way with Mindtree program, that can mint millions and millions and millions of Ethereum time and again, every 77 days to your crypto wallet. So this is not an ordinary thing. And there is no sales involved at all. You need not sell any product here. There is no sales involved. And this is not an MLM, my dear friend. This is not a multi-level marketing. This is multi-level team building. You are going to build a small team of 126 people. These 126 people are going to drive the entire team for the rest of your life. That is going to give you unlimited Ethereum earning possibility. How much Ethereum you can earn here? There is no limit. Sky is not even the limit, my dear friends, to earn from here. So I have almost come to the end of this, presentation. Now what we have to do, you have to take a decision and take an action. Be an action taker. Be a decision maker. In this world, only the decision makers and action takers are ruling this world, my dear friends. So to take a decision, what is the input you have required? I have given maximum inputs to you. As I told you, don't believe a single word of mine. Don't believe. Just go to the internet. Just look at the Google, then YouTube. There are many, many channels available. Verify the facts which I've been talking to you for so far. For the last 1 hour, I've been giving you many facts. Verify. Once you are fully satisfied, find out how many millionaires have become out of Bitcoin. Find out how many millionaires have become out of Ethereum. And find out the future of Ethereum, because we are going to transact in Ethereum. And find out what is a smart contract, what is a blockchain technology. Find out. Once you are fully satisfied, come with us. This Mindtree platform is going to show you the way. The GC and Global Crypto Network, they have numerous videos, they have numerous support systems to support you. Nobody need to go anywhere. You sit in your house, watch 1 hour videos, self-educate yourself, then just teach to as many people as possible. Use our systems. We are going to conduct regular meetings and training programs every day, every week, and this is going to be a global phenomena, my dear friends. This is a global phenomena. So take a decision. You people are going to be the first in the wave. This particular program, Mindtree and GCN, is going to be launched in any 1 or 2 days. It's going to be launched to Indian public. So far, it has not been launched. Only the private people are using in other countries. And we have access to them, and we have brought this to India, and in another 1 or 2 days. In fact, I'm so happy, so lucky that every day we are conducting meetings. Morning we are conducting now. From yesterday, I'm conducting a meeting, because a lot of people started asking, sir, we need an English meeting also. So now we are conducting a meeting from yesterday. And now that I have my friends from Andhra is attending, in Hyderabad is attending. So he will be asking me, sir, Telugu lo matladandi, sir, Telugu meeting kavali, sir. So we will be conducting a Telugu meeting very soon. Mostly from Sunday, we are planning a Telugu meeting. And this is going to be a global phenomena, my dear friends. So you are going to be the first, and you are going to be the fastest to earn beautiful Ethereums from this particular program. So take a decision. And if you want to take any advice from me, I will suggest that take 3 IDs. Don't take only 1 ID. Take 3 IDs. So it comes in a triangle. So what happens now? In 1 ID, you have to introduce 2 people. That means 2 IDs, you have to introduce 4 people. 3 IDs, you have to introduce 6 people. But if you take 3 IDs, and if you form a triangle under your first ID, that means you have 3 IDs. So you bring only 4 people. So what happens now? This foundation you can do in the beginning itself, not after once your team has grown. So for the same team, you'll be getting 3 times more income. Okay, so that means 1,500 into 3, some 4,500 will be your investment. So what you are supposed to do today, right now, suppose, see, if you want to say no, there is absolutely no compulsion. I will never ever compel any one of you. You must join this program. No, I will never compel. But if you take a decision, yes, be an action taker quickly. Don't waste time. Quickly you start this program. How to do it? So first thank the person who invited you to this program. So thank them, then take guidance from them, download Trust Wallet in your mobile phone. In the mobile phone, download it. In one wallet itself, you can create more wallets. 3 wallets you can create, and you purchase 0.0808 Ethereum for all your 3 IDs. Keep it ready very soon. Within a day or 2 or maximum 3, we will be getting our IDs opened, and we can start the program immediately. Then we will be teaching you how to do the level up and all. And as I told you, when you open the Trust Wallet, that 12 phrases are very important. So that will help you to retrieve in case if you lose your mobile, or in case if you lose your wallet. These 12 phrases, simple phrases. And again, time and again, I'm telling you, please write it separately and keep it separately safely. That is very, 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 very important, because the entire wallet is going to hold your hundreds and thousands of Ethereums you are going to earn in the future. Very, very, very important. So take action. Then the action number 2 is today evening we have meeting in Tamil. 7 o'clock we have meeting in Tamil. If you have some friends all over the world, anywhere in the world, if you have some friends who can speak in Tamil, you can understand some Tamil, so ask them to attend the program today. Same link, whatever link you have received, same link today evening, 7 o'clock, I'm going to talk. And tomorrow again, we have this 11 o'clock meeting in English. Every day, 11 o'clock we have planned. My dear friends, so far, I have conducted several meetings. From June 3rd onwards, I'm conducting the meeting. Every day, our meeting starts on time and ends on time. Okay, so we are not going to take much of your time. Only 1 hour every day, and 1 hour to the YouTube, and 1 hour to the management. Only 3 hours per day is sufficient to take care of rest of your life. My dear friends, to take action, invite as many people as possible to bring these people into this program. And some people asked me yesterday, sir, what happens? I will introduce 2 people, and they introduce 4 people. But if those 4 people did not work, or out of 4 people, 2 people did not work, what happens? My dear friends, this is a community program. This is a community building program, team building program. So we are not having only 2 people in life, right? If you have more people, what you can do, you can place under them. Somebody is not working. See, if you have more people, you can place them under you. What happens here? This is an automatic auto-filling program. Wherever there is a gap, in that gap, your A and B will go and fill up, so that your program is not disturbed. At the same time, what happens to him? He has joined, but he has not done anything. Seniors have helped him to grow. 2 people have come. Now he is having 0.14 in his wallet. What he will do? He has come here. He has not done anything. He did not bring 2 people, but now his wallet shows 0.14 because autofilling has happened. Because seniors, they don't want to lose money, right? So autofilling has happened. 0.14 has come to his wallet. Now at least he will work, right? Now we will at least do the climb up, right? And under him, 2 people are there. They are going to work. So he is also benefited. You are also benefited. And the system is going to go on. So let us be very generous in this. If you have, see, you need to have only 4 people, but you have 400 people, 500 people in life. Help them, support them. And we are going to help them. See, in this business, nobody can earn without supporting other people. Here, the upline is going to work for you. Your downline is going to work for you, right? So there is a huge team working for you, so that everybody becomes a success. Here, normally I used to talk about the ratios, about the percentages. The possibility of making a lot of money is huge. Even if you are a success about 50%, even if you are a success about 25%, my dear friends, even if you are a success about 10%, that is going to be huge, huge, huge money. 10%. Even 1% success in Mindtree is going to give you many, many, many millions. So for the first time in the world, you may ask, sir, we are not heard about. Yeah, this is first time being launched. And we are, that's why I'm telling, we are standing before the wave. The wave is going to take over. There are going to hundreds and thousands of people going to follow us. So I'm very proud to launch our global crypto network and Mindtree program for all of you. So we have meeting today evening and tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening. Like that, regularly we are going to have meetings. And my good friend here, TSN is watching, so we'll be talking to him, and we'll be starting our Telugu meeting. And Haribabu Reddy is there, I think. Sai Sridhar is there. Okay, so all these people are working. You want Telugu meeting? Telugu meeting kavali? Okay. Okay, super. So wonderful. We'll be starting the Telugu meetings very soon. So, and not only Telugu, Kannada is also, one leader is getting ready. Like the Hindi meeting is going to happen, and there are going to be many meetings thereafter. Right. So I wish all of you a good luck to take care of this wonderful, take care of your health, stay in your home, don't go out, stay in your home, and do Mindtree business, and you earn millions and millions and millions of Ethereum, so that whatever loans you have today, clear off all the loans, purchase as many cars as possible, buy and build as many homes as possible, take care of your children, take care of your health, take care of your family, and live a royal life. God bless you. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thank you. See you in the evening. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.